I'm aware that the most difficult challenge that a lot of DeFi traders, DEX Plus, DEX trading, decentralized finance traders usually encounter is knowing the actual direction of that particular token they want to trade, right? They actually face this challenge on a daily basis. So that's the essence of this video, to show you how you can spot coins or assets that are about to fly, or coins or assets that are about to dump. Stick around to the very end of this video. Now, the first you need to do is come over to DEX Plus, right? Move from exchange and come over to DEX Plus. Just follow my mouse cursor. Click on DEX Plus. It's going to bring you right here. Now, the next thing you want to do is come here and click on Alpha. Alpha are actually tokens that have the potential to do, they have a very, very good utility, basically. So they have the potential to skyrocket and actually make you a lot of money. So want to analyze this pair using simple basic technical analysis to know the direction of the market, if you ought to be what, buying or selling. Now, let's use Uranus Solana as a case study for this. I'm going to just tap on this right now, and it's going to bring us right here. It's going to bring us right here. So I'm going to put this on the daily time frame. From the daily time frame, we are already bearish. Now, I know a lot of you will ask me, MJ, how do you know you are bearish? Now, we explain. This is a bearish, I hope you can see my chart. This is a bearish, it's a bearish trade. Now, first of all, just ensure that you are seeing something like this. Use my part to ensure you are seeing something like this from the daily. Now, this schematic I'm showing you now is a sell schematic, showing you that price is about to what, fall. Now, usually you get a break of structure like this. This is our break of structure. So we can just call this BOS. This small. We can just call this BOS. Right? Now, the moment price breaks a structure, it means we're already bearish on the daily time frame. It means we're already what? Bearish. No two ways about that. It means price is already bearish now. So what do we need to look out for? If we know now that price is bearish, what do we need to look out for? We need to start looking out for sells. That's all we need to do. Start looking out for what? For sells. See, while the break of structure here, we start looking for what? Sell. So we wait for this inducement to form, right? Wait for this inducement to form. Now, the logic behind this is that when price breaks structure, a lot of persons will mark here as a supply region. They want to start selling from here. So we'll wait for them to be taken out first. Okay, wait for them to be taken out first. Inducement is usually the first pullback. So we'll wait for price to make a pullback to this supply region, come back, and then when price takes everybody out, that is when we now start looking for our entry. Direction is more important than entry. The moment you know the direction of the market, it's easier to locate where you should enter the trade. So inducement is taken out here. This now becomes our valid point of interest. So we'll mark that point out. I'm going to show you. Just hold on. This now becomes our valid point of interest. We'll mark it out. Now, what we are seeing here on the daily time frame now, we want to see a representation, a clone of this. We want to see a clone of this here on the 1 hour time frame or the 30 minutes time frame. If I'm making a lot of sense to you, can use the 1 hour time frame. So we want to see this exact thing here now. I'm just going to delete this. or no need to delete. Let me see. So we are seeing this now on the, so we already have a break of structure here. Price will go back again and what? Look at the inducement here. That's the inducement. And then come back into this point of interest, this other block here. So for this asset, where should we be selling? We should be selling from here. So we have to be patient. We have to be patient to wait for these things to form fully. So we are looking out for what? Selling from this point of interest. This is where we should be selling from. Be selling from here, Uranus, Solana. So fund your Solana wallet. You can use my link in the description of this video. Fund your account and start making money. So we've already been able to decipher now that this market is bearish. From daily time frame, we've been able to decipher. Now, 1 hour time frame needs to also what? Give us that pictorial presentation of what a sell schematic or what a sell trade looks like. Break of structure, inducement, and then taps into POI. Look at the inducement right here. A lot of people now will start selling from here and they will be swept out, obviously. They will be swept out. So what do? We don't sell from here. We wait for them to be taken out first, then we sell from extreme point of interest, which is right here. Extreme point of interest. So I'm going to have something play out like this. Boom. I start selling. I start what? I start selling. As simple as that. No, nothing to stress yourself about. I start what? I start selling from here, from this point. So this is how we take a sell. Now, let's see if we can actually get a buy trade on another asset. Let's see. Let's see. Remember, we're using alpha because these guys have been here for a long time. You can see most of them have been here for a long time. See the duration, 85 days. See? See? Even the new ones that are coming up, most of them have very high utility. So that's why they are actually here on alpha. See? Let's see this retire. This one has been here for a year. Let's see if we have a buy or a sell from here. Daily time frame first. This coin is bullish. Can you see? Oh my, this is fantastic. This coin is bullish. Now, for a bullish scenario, remember what we did for the sell. Now, let me show you what we did for the sell. Hope you are paying attention. So you know when you are coming here, you can do 3x. And you know why this is very good and interesting, right? You can actually make a lot of money when you know the direction of what you are doing. Price will always do two things: sweep highs or lows and rebalance itself into fair value gaps. That's for technical analysis anyway. I'm not here to speak the big English. I'm just here to teach you guys how to actually make consistent profit out of this. Now, for a buy scenario, okay. For a buy scenario, let me remove this. A buy scenario is like this. It's just the opposite of what we did before. Price comes here, taps into POI. So this is our real POI. This is our real POI. Price taps in and then begin to move. So let's see if we've had this schematic now on. I can already see it happening here, but let's confirm it from lower time frames. So I want us to confirm this from a lower time frame. Let's use the 4 hours. Okay, all of these are still inducements because the actual POI is here. Price has not what tapped into it yet. You can see the lower time, the POI is right here. Point of interest is right here. So this is the first pullback that price made before we run up. So I'll be waiting for price to do this, to come back here, respect this region, and then seamlessly just tap into this point of interest and continue the up movement. So for retire is the name of the token. I'm buying this with Solana. Fund the Solana wallet, simple, just click on buy, and then you're good to go. Now, I'll just wait patiently for price to come down here. Then I start buying. I start what? Buying. All of these now are acting as what? Trend line. All of these points now, they're all acting as trend line liquidity because the daily is obviously bullish. So they are all acting as trend line liquidity. Or acting as trend line liquidity. Price will come back here now. I'm buying this asset, I'm not selling. Price will come back here. The moment price taps into this point of interest, I start buying, and then I enter my entry. Risk to reward should be, target this high first. This is 1 to 5 already. This is 5x. Meaning if you have put $100 in this, you have gotten $500. As simple as that. So guys, this is for DeFi DEX Plus on MEXC. This is decentralized trading. This is DEX trading. This is basically how to make money on decentralized finance using DEX Plus MEXC exchange. One love to you guys. I hope you gained a lot of value from this video, and I'm really, really excited to teach you this so that you can actually keep making profits hearing like this. All right, my name is MJ Crypto, and that will be bye for now. That will be bye for now. Yeah.